Hello and welcome back to CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. In this video we're gonna discuss about list and tuples. As you are very much familiar about list and tuples, let me just give you a brief. You know that lists are nothing but mutable objects, whereas tuples are nothing but immutable objects. This means tuples can be changed while the list can be modified. So let us perform a small code and let's check what happens to understand better. So let's get started. Let me give t is equals to 2e minus 04, true, and let me give false, also 8, also 1.001, also a true. Let me assign value is equals to 0 here. And for x and t, value is equals to integer of x. Then let's print value. Before running, so just pause the video and figure out the appropriate output. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. Here I'm running the code and let's see what happens. So we got output 11. So let me explain why we got the output as 11. So you all know that 2.04 is nothing but 0.0002. Okay, and you all know true is nothing but 1 and false is nothing but 0. And when the integer value of 1.001 is nothing but 1. So let us add this all to check what actually is the output. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 11. So we also got the output 11, hence our program is correct. So keep trying like this, guys. Meet you all soon.